If you're looking for a high-paying tech job, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 of the highest-paying tech jobs for 2023. Hi, my name is Dash, and if you're looking for a high-paying tech job, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 of the highest-paying tech jobs for 2023. So whether you're a recent graduate or an experienced professional, these jobs are worth checking out. Let's get into it. Data scientist. Data science is the process of analyzing and understanding large amounts of data to uncover meaningful connections and insights. It is a valuable tool, as it allows businesses to gain valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences, as well as industry trends. As data continues to pile up, companies are beginning to recognize how important it is to have access to a qualified data scientist in order to interpret the collected information properly and effectively. Data scientists facilitate decision-making by providing companies with the resources that allow them to make actionable conclusions from their massive databases. Companies are investing more heavily in this new profession due to its effectiveness in helping them derive relevant decisions based on empirical evidence garnered from their data. Data scientists need to have the following skills and knowledge in order to adequately assess the data they receive. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python, R, or SQL. Familiarity with statistical models such as linear regression and classification algorithms. Experience analyzing large amounts of data from different sources. Knowledge of software engineering principles such as web development and databases. Ability to interpret and present data in a meaningful way. Data scientists are responsible for extracting, cleaning, processing, and analyzing large datasets, creating predictive models using machine learning algorithms to make informed decisions, and developing visualizations that help businesses understand their data and make decisions. The ultimate goal of a data scientist is to uncover meaningful insights from the data that could help a business improve its operations or give it an edge over its competitors. How much does a data scientist typically earn? A typical salary for a data scientist ranges between $117,000 to $145,000 per year, depending on your level of experience. The average salary in the U.S. is approximately $131,254. Blockchain developer. As technology advances, so must the skills of those who develop and use it effectively. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology with many potential applications and is quickly becoming one of the most sought-after skills for employers. A blockchain developer is necessary in order to build, secure, track, and scale these complex networks. They are responsible for designing smart contracts and distributed ledger solutions that allow for data to be securely stored and shared on a decentralized network. With their help, organizations can trustfully interact directly with their customers and partners without requiring any third parties as a mediator, which ultimately saves both time and money. Thus, it is clear to see why having an experienced blockchain developer on staff is essential in today's world of increasingly digital transactions. In order to become a blockchain developer, one must have extensive knowledge of the various programming languages used to create decentralized applications. These include JavaScript and Solidity. Additionally, understanding of distributed ledger technologies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple is also helpful. Furthermore, blockchain developers should be well-versed in security protocols and cryptography principles in order to guarantee the safety and integrity of the data on the network. Finally, an understanding of database technologies such as MongoDB and NoSQL is also important, as they provide a secure platform for storing data within blockchain networks. How much does a blockchain developer typically earn? A typical salary for a blockchain developer ranges between $70,000 to $200,000 per year, depending on your level of experience. The average salary in the U.S. is approximately $136,000. Cloud migration architect. A cloud migration architect is an essential part of any organization's transition to a cloud-based computing system. This individual understands the nuances involved in such a move, as it requires significant modifications to the way data is stored and accessed, as well as new processes for authentication and authorization. The architect will also anticipate potential pitfalls while establishing layer-level access policies that can tightly control system permissions and facilitate secure data transfer across multiple devices. By having a trained professional on board during the migration process, organizations can avoid costly delays and ensure data security throughout their transition. The ideal cloud migration architect must have a deep understanding of both physical and virtual networks, as well as the underlying infrastructure that supports a cloud environment. They should also be knowledgeable about different cybersecurity protocols and best practices for data encryption. In addition, they should possess strong problem-solving skills, as well as a keen eye for detail in order to spot any potential issues or gaps in the system. Lastly, they must also possess excellent communication and interpersonal skills, as they will be working with different stakeholders throughout the process. How much does a cloud migration architect typically earn? A typical salary for a cloud migration architect ranges between $123,000 to $153,000 per year, depending on your level of experience. The average salary in the US is approximately $139,000. DevOps engineer. The modern world is becoming increasingly reliant on technology, and businesses are finding that having a DevOps engineer ensures their vital services remain resilient and adaptive. A DevOps engineer is required to create systems from the ground up that are reliable, efficient, and secure. They work with developers to build capabilities in the development pipeline, collaborating with other departments or vendors for testing or deployment purposes. This role also requires extensive monitoring of deployed systems in production mode, troubleshooting any problems before they can become critical failures. It is clear why every business needs a skilled DevOps engineer. They ensure infrastructure efficiency, technical scalability, and robust security. To become a DevOps engineer, you need to possess a deep understanding of development and operations processes. You must also have strong software engineering fundamentals and be proficient in scripting languages such as Bash and Python. Additionally, knowledge of cloud platforms like AWS or Azure is essential. Lastly, experience with container technology such as Docker or Kubernetes is highly desirable. A DevOps engineer must possess a wide range of skills and be able to work in different environments, thus making them an invaluable asset for any organization. How much does a DevOps engineer typically earn? A typical salary for a DevOps engineer ranges between $116,000 to $136,000 per year, depending on your level of experience. The average salary in the US is approximately $125,700. Cybersecurity engineer. A cybersecurity engineer is required to ensure the safety of organizations and individuals' sensitive information. Our increasingly digital, interconnected world requires that all businesses protect themselves from nefarious actors and haphazard mistakes alike. Cybersecurity engineers are responsible for building networks with inbuilt defensive measures, performing vulnerability assessments, creating appropriate emergency response plans, tracking emerging threats, educating company personnel about safe digital practices, and implementing firewalls and other solutions as needed. Furthermore, cybersecurity engineers need to stay on top of developments in their field by attending conferences and seminars, so they can remain aware of the latest trends. A skilled cybersecurity engineer is a necessity for any company hoping to stay protected in the ever-changing landscape of the web. To become a cybersecurity engineer, you need to have extensive knowledge of coding and scripting languages, such as Linux, Python, Java, and C. Additionally, experience with threat detection tools is highly desirable. The ideal candidate must also possess excellent problem-solving skills and be able to think outside the box when it comes to security solutions. It is clear that businesses need skilled engineers in order to protect themselves and their customers. Cloud, DevOps, and cybersecurity engineers are the cornerstones of any organization's technical infrastructure, so they must possess a wide range of skills and be able to work in different environments. How much does a cybersecurity engineer typically earn? A typical salary for a cybersecurity engineer ranges between $92,500 to $130,500 per year, depending on your level of experience. The average salary in the US is approximately $111,540. The last job on our list is one that not many will agree with, but one that we feel is massively underappreciated, but gaining in importance daily, so we wanted to highlight it as one for the future, and that is the role of a test architect. Test architect. Test architects are indispensable for ensuring that software meets the highest quality standards. A test architect is responsible for overseeing the testing plan and introducing new processes when needed. They help to identify areas within the code that require more attention and enhance the overall efficiency of an organization's tests. They generate ideas that can lead to improved functionality and create strategic plans to facilitate faster, more reliable results in even the most complex testing scenarios. A test architect plays a key role in helping an organization successfully navigate through testing challenges, producing consistent and reliable results necessary for successful project outcomes. How much does a test architect typically earn? A typical salary for a test architect ranges between $87,500 to $131,200 per year, depending on your level of experience. The average salary in the U.S. is approximately $109,825. That concludes our look at 6 of the tech jobs that will pay the highest in 2023. Let us know in the comments below whether you agree or disagree with our list, and which other jobs you would add to our list. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video interesting, please consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, goodbye.